So another day, another adventure in Portland with the family. We are in Frenchman Cove. We're walking into the beach. There's Ray Kenny back there taking pictures as usual. You guys ready for the beach?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. On the beach in Frenchman Cove. Check that out. The family there relaxing on the beach, taking it in. My son is already in the water bathing. So yeah, we're just going to take it easy. Taking the scenery. Frenchman Cove. The sun is so bright, I'm sure to get sunburned, but look how beautiful the beach is. The family is bathing in it. Just having a good time. A freshwater river that runs into the ocean, and it's so nice. You could have a bathe in the beach salt water and then wash off in the freshwater river. Enjoying it. Vandy's trying to swim, she can't swim. There's my son going in the back there having a ball. Alright, so that's Frenchman Cove. We changed, we're getting ready to head back on the road. How was it, boss man?
Good.
It was really nice, nice big waves, and then the river was pretty cool. So that wraps up Portland for us. Alright, we'll be heading back to Montego Bay now.